Hello, coming at you with two different eyeballs today. I'm going to show you guys how to do the easiest siren eye makeup look to go from this to this. Literally takes like 4 steps. Step 1, prime your eyeballs. Then you want to go in with a really soft, warm brown and just pop that in your crease. And you just want to flick, 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 flick. Just keep on flicking, it'll just help to drag everything out. Flick, 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 flick. You can then take a pressed powder, a powder foundation, or just a beige sort of colour eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. Then you don't have to do this, but it does make it a lot easier. I'm taking a little bit of tape, pop that on my eyeball. Are we even? Alright, this is where the magic happens. So now I'm going to go in with one of the About Face shadow sticks, and I'm going to drag that out and create a wing. I'm then going to take this smudging brush here, and I'm going to smudge that out. Next I'm taking a little bit of that black eyeshadow and a little bit of dark brown. I'm smudging out that line just a little bit more. And the trick is you don't want to go too far into your eyes, so maybe stop like halfway just to really elongate them. I'm then going to take this dark brown eyeshadow on a teeny tiny little brush, fling my head back, you don't need to be that dramatic, and you want to get right on in there, a little wet bit, and drag that inner corner inwards. Then you want a tight line. I hate doing this bit. I hate it. And I'm also going to put a little bit in my waterline here. Instantly it's like... I'm then going in with a little bit more of that black eyeshadow, and I'm just putting that right up close to my lash line. Swing. Next for mascara, I'm using the one from Maybelline. This is the Sky High. You guys can actually shop it on my TikTok shop. I will leave a link to it somewhere on screen. And I'm going to focus this on the outer corner. So wherever I put my liner, my eyeshadow, I'm basically focusing everything there. Next to my lashes, I'm taking these random ones that I just found on my desk. Ideally get your lashes without cat hair on them. And all I've done is chopped off the end of these to turn them into little corner lashes. And again, I'm putting these right on the outer corner. So this is pretty much it, but if you want to level it up even more, add in some contacts. I'm using these from Hidrocor and they're in the shade Ochre. Woo! And that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think in the comments.